and welcome to English Talk Studio. We are happy you are here today.
Oh, hello, everyone. Yes, this is a calm time for you.
There is no rush here. No pressure at all. You can take it easy with us.
That's right. This is a comfortable space. You can relax and feel okay.
Maybe sit back a little. Let your shoulders rest.
Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out.
You do not need to be perfect. Step by step is good.
Yeah, gentle learning is enough. We are here with you.
That feels nice and quiet for this moment.
Just stay calm and comfortable.
It feels like a calm morning for me today. The light is soft and everything is quiet.
Oh, yes, I feel that too. It is a gentle time. I am just sitting comfortably at home.
Same here. I am taking it easy. No rush, no noise around me.
That's nice. This kind of quiet time feels good. I can just listen and relax a little.
I think afternoons can feel like this too. Not busy yet, just a slow moment.
Yeah, kind of a relaxed feeling. Like the day is moving slowly. I enjoy that.
We are both here, calm and comfortable, sharing this simple chat together.
Yes. It feels natural. Just a normal moment. Like that.
So we can stay like this for a while. Easy and steady.
That's okay. Let's continue in this calm flow.
It feels peaceful to share this time together.
Yes, a bit quiet, a bit warm, and very easy.
We are simply here, enjoying this calm moment.
Together.
Talking about your day is very useful in English.
Yes, it is something people do every day.
When you can share your day, English feels closer.
Oh, it feels real and natural.
You do not need big stories. Simple moments are enough.
Morning, afternoon, or evening moments. Small things matter.
This kind of English helps you connect with people.
Friends, family, or classmates. It works everywhere.
When you talk about your day, you feel more confident.
Yeah, you use English for your real life.
I think this makes learning feel easier.
It is calm and comfortable. No pressure to be perfect.
Talking about your day gives you a clear start.
Step by step, you can share more.
This is why daily talk is important.
It helps English feel friendly.
It becomes part of your normal life.
That's nice, simple, and useful for everyone.
You can practice again and again, slowly.
Yes, a bit every day feels good.
And that builds quiet confidence. So let me share a normal day. I wake up in the morning, slowly. The room is quiet. I sit up, take a breath, and stretch a bit.
Yes, mornings feel like that for me too. I wake up and look outside. The light is soft. I feel calm and ready.
After I wake up, I wash my face. Then I make a simple breakfast, usually toast and tea.
Oh, that sounds nice. I also eat something light. I like fruit in the morning.
I sit at the table and eat slowly. No rush, just a quiet start.
Yeah, taking it easy feels good. I listen to the sounds around me.
After breakfast, I start my work. I sit at my desk. I open my computer.
I study in the morning. I read and write a little.
The morning passes quietly. I focus, then rest a bit.
Same here. I take short breaks.
At midday, I stop for lunch. I eat something simple. Rice, vegetables, soup.
That's nice. Lunch is a small pause. I feel relaxed after eating.
In the afternoon, I work again. Sometimes I feel tired, but I go slowly.
Yes, afternoons can feel long. I drink water and sit back.
I finish my work before evening. Then I stand up and stretch.
Oh, that feels good. Moving a little helps.
In the evening, I go home. The day feels softer then.
I like evenings. The light is warm.
I make dinner and eat. Nothing fancy, just comfortable food.
Same for me. Simple meals feel best at night.
After dinner, I relax. I sit on the sofa.
I watch something quiet, or I listen to music.
The evening is calm. I feel the day slow down.
Yes, it feels gentle. No pressure anymore.
Later at night, I get ready for bed. I wash up and change clothes.
Nighttime is quiet. The house feels still.
I lie down and rest. I think about the day a little.
I do that too. Just small thoughts.
Then I close my eyes. The day is finished.
It feels peaceful. A simple day ends slowly.
Let us hear some parts again, slowly. I wake up in the morning. I wash my face. I eat breakfast.
Yes, those are simple and clear. I wake up in the morning. I eat something light.
We say it again. I start my work. I sit at my desk. I open my computer.
I like that. I start my study. I read and write a little.
The day moves on. I stop for lunch. I eat a simple meal.
Oh, lunch is a pause. I eat and feel calm.
In the afternoon, I work again. I go slowly. I take a short break.
Yes, that sounds normal. I feel tired. I rest a bit.
Then the evening comes. I go home. I make dinner.
Me too. I eat dinner. I sit and relax.
After dinner, I rest. I sit on the sofa. I feel quiet.
That's nice. I watch something calm. I listen to music.
At night, I get ready for bed. I wash up. I change clothes.
Night feels soft. I lie down. I close my eyes.
We can say it once more. Morning actions are slow. Afternoon actions are steady.
Evening actions are gentle. Night actions are quiet.
These words are easy. They sound natural. They fit daily life.
Yes, I mean, they feel real. Not hard, just normal.
So we hear it again. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. A full day.
Yes, a simple day. Normal actions. Easy words.
Hearing it again helps. The words feel friendly.
I think so too. It feels comfortable now.
We can say these lines again. Slowly. With confidence.
Yeah, the day sounds clear. Simple and real. Calm, familiar, and easy to remember. It stays in your mind. Nice and steady. Very clear now. For everyone.
Let's take a short pause together. Just breathe and sit calmly.
Yes, this is a calm moment. No rush, no pressure.
So far, everything is simple. You listened and followed along.
Hmm. You are doing well. It feels easy to follow.
We talked about a normal day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Oh, these ideas are clear. They sound familiar now.
You do not need to hurry. Step by step is enough.
Yes, that's okay. You understand more than you think.
Take this calm review moment. Let the words stay with you.
I think everything feels steady. Nothing feels too hard.
You are following the flow. The day sounds clear now.
That feels nice and gentle. You can stay relaxed.
This is enough for now. Just keep listening calmly.
Yes, no pressure at all. You are doing fine here.
Take another quiet breath now.
And enjoy this calm space together now.
You can use this kind of talk every day. For example, with a friend.
Yes, maybe you meet a friend at home. You sit and talk.
You can say how your morning was. I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I worked a little.
Your friend can listen. Then they share their day too.
At work, you can talk like this with a coworker.
Oh, during a short break, you sit together.
You can say, I worked this morning. I had lunch. I feel a bit tired.
That sounds normal. Very simple. Very clear.
In class, it is the same. With a classmate.
Yes, before or after class. Just a small chat.
You can talk about the afternoon. I studied. I rested. I drank water.
Everyday things. Easy to say.
In the evening, you can share again. With family at home.
I think that feels nice. You talk while eating dinner.
You can say, I finished work. I ate dinner. I relaxed.
That sounds comfortable.
At night, it is quiet. You can say a few words.
Yes, like, I am tired. I will sleep soon.
This kind of talk fits real life. You do not need long stories.
Just short lines. Simple words. Like that.
You can use this every day, morning to night.
Yeah, step by step. It feels natural and easy.
This works with many people, anywhere, any day, slow and calm. Let us review the day together, slowly.
Yes, just a calm review.
In the morning, we wake up. We wash our face. We eat breakfast.
Mornings start the day. Simple and quiet.
Then the afternoon comes. We work or study. We eat lunch. We take short breaks.
Oh, afternoons move slowly. We keep going.
In the evening, we finish work. We go home. We make dinner.
Evenings feel softer. We relax a bit.
At night, the day ends. We get ready for bed. We lie down. We rest.
Yes, night is calm. The house is quiet.
This is the full flow, morning to night.
I think it feels clear now. Nothing new, just familiar actions.
You heard these ideas many times. They sound natural.
That's nice. You can remember them.
A normal day. Simple words. Real life.
Yeah, it all fits together. Easy and steady.
This review helps you feel sure, calm, and confident.
You followed everything well. That matters.
You are doing well. This kind of review is enough. Take it in slowly.
Yes, no pressure at all. Just listen and feel calm.
These daily moments stay in your mind. They feel easy now.
I mean, that is good. You can smile.
The day sounds simple and friendly. That is the goal.
You are comfortable with this now. That feels nice.
You can try a small practice now. Just one short line is enough.
Yes, take your time. This is a safe place.
You can write something like, I woke up early today.
That is perfect. Very simple and clear.
You can also write, I worked and ate dinner.
Oh, that is fine too.
One small line is okay. No pressure at all.
That's nice. Short comments are welcome. Just do your best. You can write slowly and feel calm here.
Thank you for listening with us today. We are glad you stayed until the end.
Yes, thank you for spending this time together. It feels calm and warm.
I think sharing this quiet space matters. Just sitting and listening is enough.
It was nice to be here with you. A gentle moment like that.
We enjoyed this peaceful time. No rush, no noise, just calm.
Yeah, a relaxed feeling stays with us. That feels good.
This peaceful moment belongs to all of us right now together. We will end slowly now. Take a quiet breath.
Keep this calm feeling with you, wherever you are.
Thank you again for listening.
Gentle goodbye for now. Take care and rest well.